People celebrate kite flying festivals by flying colourful kites from their rooftops. But have you ever seen how these colourful kites are made by hand? Let's take a look. The kite making process starts with drawing the design on special paper by a skilled artist. After that, the papers are carefully cut into the shape of the design. Now, these cut paper designs are stuck together with the help of glue to make the shape of a kite. Then, bamboo sticks are stuck in one by one with glue in between all the kite parts for support. Next, the bamboo stick is attached to the two ends of the kite in the shape of a curve with a thread. This is also called a bow. The traditional kites are made with a bamboo frame or other lightweight material. In many societies, kites have a cultural significance. Many Asian countries have a day off for religious activities and enjoy kite flying festivals. Just see how these artisans are making such beautiful kites with such precision by hand. In this process, a thin string is tied on the four edges of the kite and all the edges are folded and glued to the string. This string helps the kites to be stable when they are up in the sky. Kite flying is a popular recreational activity enjoyed by people of all ages. If we talk about the speed, the machine can fail here. Now, the silver sticker is cut into the proper size. Then it is glued to the bamboo stick, corners, centre and end corner of the kite. This sticker also improves the look of the kites. As well as that, at the end of the kite, a wavy tail is also pasted by silver colour tape. Every day, 6,000 to 7,000 kites are made by hand. There are many shapes, sizes and designs used to make colourful kites every day. Many countries and regions host kite festivals. People come together to fly their kites. Finally, the kite is ready to fly in the sky and enjoy this kite flying festival with your loved ones. In the end, the colourful kites are wrapped up with paper and are packed manually to deliver all around the world.